and welcome to Hanks Brew Barbecue. Today we're cooking up some pig candy or candied bacon. Now this is a real treat for you barbecue fans. It's like putting a new spin on bacon. So basically we're cooking bacon strips in the smoker, but also we're going to apply a good rub, but plenty of brown sugar to get it to caramelize. So this is a real snack. It's like overly salty, overly fatty, real sweet. I mean, what's not to like? It's good stuff. Now to use that I'm going to use bacon, but this specific kind is just slightly thicker than normal bacon, which I like. In Sweden that's called stekfläsk. So get that if you can. Slightly thicker strips are really nice, but except for that, regular bacon. We're going to get a real good rub. I'm going to use my own KC Royale, and then we're going to add a lot of brown sugar. So it'll be like, they're going to turn out real crispy, but not still pliable, but still a real crispy, real sweet and good flavor. It's going to be a quick cook. This is what I call a bonus cook, because you can cook it, like let's say you've done pulled pork the whole day, but you still have a few hours of charcoal to go in your grill or smoker. Then this is time to cook some candied bacon or pig candy while you're waiting for that real meat to finish. So you crank up the heat in the grill, put these on and cook them for like 30 minutes and we're done, and you have some good snacks before the dinner. So this is good fun, easy to cook, so let's get to prepping these. I'm gonna put them on a wire rack because it really helps suspend them in air, and also put a cookie pan if you like underneath, because that's gonna help clean up, but except for that it's real easy. We're gonna mix the rub with some brown sugar to get it real sweet, apply it, and then start the smoker, because we want to get just a bit of smoke flavor in there too. I'm going to use wood chunks because I'm going to cook this in my Weber kettle, and the nice thing is because bacon has plenty of fat in it, and fat loves smoke, so of course we're going to apply some smoke to this to make it just perfect. Alright, let's get to prepping. So when doing bacon like this, pig candy, I always place it on this, which is called a frog mat. It's also known as a grill mat. You can use a wired roasting rack. Anything works really. The whole point of this is to be able to transfer all of it to and from the grill. So it's just a convenience. Now to flavor this, we're gonna add a rub. I'm gonna use my pork rub. I'm gonna use brown sugar. Now most recipes you read say use 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and rub, but I think it's just a bit too much, so I'm gonna go 2-to-1 rub to sugar ratio. Some recipes call for a brushing on golden syrup. That's always nice, but the thing is, with that all hot air in the grill and the liquid golden syrup, it runs off quite easily, so you're gonna have to brush it on several times. So instead I'm gonna add more. I use brown sugar because then it has time to caramelize before it runs off the bacon. Something like that. We're gonna stir, mix and sprinkle on, and then we're gonna flip and apply on both sides. And as you can see, it's real easy. And this is gonna taste good. Nice saltiness, some sweetness from the rub sugar mix, but not too much. I guess it all depends on your flavor preferences. If you want to just do a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and rub, it's all up to you. I think this is good enough without becoming overly sweet. All right, flip, and repeat on the other side. And we're gonna cook at higher temps today because we want this to crisp up properly. So it's gonna be a quick cook. See if I need to make some more rub sugar mix to cover it all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to mix a little bit more. This is looking good. Now bacon is good because you can see the white streaks, so you really know whether you covered it all or not. But I think this is looking good, so now we have to get the grill up to temp. That's gonna be a quickie. I'm gonna leave this as is for 5 minutes or so to get it really hot. It's already burning good, but we're gonna get it up to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. So just let it drip for once. Nice to have a change for all the low and slow cooks I do. And since I'm using the slow ones here, I do not have any water in the water reservoir, and there's a good reason for it. For one, this is a quick cook, but also you want to avoid, I mean, if we're cooking at these temps, the water is just going to boil furiously and you might get burns. So this one stays dry for now since we're going high temps. Okay, good fire going, so I'm going to put the lid on. See where we're at temp-wise. But top vent and bottom vent full open. Time to put some chunks for smoking on, and as well as the bacon. Now you see how convenient it is with the frog mat. Real easy. One chunk, two chunks. This is cherry wood, which is one of my favorites for pork, but anything will do really. If you like oak, go with oak or apple. Alright, time to get some smoke on this. Okay, quick check. They've been on for 15 minutes. Looking good, but they're gonna crisp up a bit more, so just keep it going. They've been on for 30 minutes roughly. They're looking really good, feeling good, so I'm just gonna transfer these bad boys over to the cutting board. Alright, time to taste these bad boys. They look really good, I think. Nice bark, to be honest, on these. This is the benefit of using slightly thicker bacon. So good. Just around right amount of sweetness. Again, if you want to add more, just go ahead. I mean, it's all up to your flavor preferences, but this is super tasty. A bit of heat from the rub I use, but also sweetness and fattiness. Superb. And it was a quick cook, I like that. Alright, that was a sweet fatty treat, wasn't it? Easy to make, as you can see, and like I said before, nice bonus cook. Like when you're done with your regular grilling, you can just throw this on at the end and you have some real nice snacks. Goes excellent with cool beer, so do try it at home. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next episode.